That news was brought to you by Bingo Plus. Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop.
Birch Tree Fortified nga twin, pwedeng inumon. Para sa duha ka baso, sulit ka ayon. Nutrition, complete tripling lakas. Para sa duha ka baso, sulit ka ayon. Nutrition, complete tripling lakas. 2 times nga inom, 2 times nga nutrisyon. Birch Tree Fortified Twin Pack. 775 ra ang SRP kada baso. Birch Tree Fortified Twin Pack. Complete tripling lakas refers to the expanded 3 functions of Lakas Depensa Plus support nutrients with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle.
This time check is brought to you by Joy. New Joy Swakto, now with easy patak cap. 45 pesos lang. This newscast is brought to you by Protect. Freshness every day.
Mga ka-senior, Bossing Vic Soto po. Umaaray na ba sa presyo ng senior milk? Ang Birch Tree Advance
Same nutrition, half the price.
versus leading senior milk brand. Sabi ng nutritionist ko.
May triple advanced power, tulong pampalakas ng muscle at bone, immunity, brain at heart. With a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, mag-Birch Tree Advance na.
Same nutrition, half the price.
Versus leading senior milk brand. Birch Tree Advance. Same nutrition, half the price. Versus leading senior milk brand. Get triple advanced power with a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle.
Samtang ang drama nga naguluhan, idol ko si Tatay, ipasunday karong umabot Hunyo 3, 2026, anha sa Central School Poblacion Consolacion, ubos sa pagdapit ni Consyal Philip Sabra o Mari Ayan Safra. Samtang ang drama nga naguluhan, idol ko si Tatay, ipasunday karong umabot Hunyo 4, anha na usab ipasunday diya sa may Bulacau, Cebu City, ubos sa pagdapit ni Consyal Filma Alicante Manigbas og family.
Si Donnie Pangilinan ni, every day is a new adventure. Maubitaw mag-armor up ko gamit ang biogenic alcohol. So I can get in the game. Savor the moment.
Food's here, guys!
And feel the vibe.
Best concert ever!
All while staying protected. Pag-armor up for adventure. Uban ang biogenic. Isopropyl alcohol is the generic name of biogenic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor. Si Donnie Pangilinan ni, hinumdumi mag-armor up for adventure, uban ang biogenic. Isopropyl alcohol is the generic name of biogenic. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Armor up for adventure with Biogenic.
Maingay ang buhay at maraming pagsubok sa daan. Tibay ng loob na gawin ng tama ang pinakikinggan. Kasama ang Tanduay. Higit 170 years ng swabe at buo ang lasa. Tibay ng loob. Tibay, Tanduay. Drink responsibly. Tibayan ng loob ngayong tag-init. Tibay, Tanduay. Drink responsibly.
Ito na po yung hiniram kong pera, tulad ng petsang na pagkasunduan.
Ay, sana lahat ng umuutang gaya mo. Tumutupad sa usapan at mayroon isang salita.
Ganyan ang Pinoy!
Ang Pilipino may isang salita.
Isang paalala mula sa MX3, naniniwalang mabuti ang Pinoy.
MX3. Dito ako believe.
Goodbye to me, Masya. Hello, Pride Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan. Pride Bar Blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, Masya. Hello, Pride Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.